One thing I always struggle with is after I make a story and I click the usual places that I go to create another story, I can't seem to figure out how to do a new one. So the way you want to do this is go to the home screen. Do you see where it has the camera in the top right underneath the time? Click that, and that's how you go to create a new story. Click the link in the description box to get access to the free Instagram highlight cover Sunday, where you get access to 16 gorgeous shades to use for your Instagram stories. You are going to love them. People pay money for this, but I said, no, I'm going to make it for you for free. So click the link in the description box below and get access to the free set that I've created for you.